We are on day 9. We're talking about Cabernet Franc. Hey folks, welcome back to the Wine Advent Calendar for 2024. We are on day 9. We're talking about Cabernet Franc. Cabernet Franc is a fun red grape. Light, or I'm going to call it medium-bodied, medium to high in tannins, very high, nice and high in acid. Lots of red fruit, right? Cherries, raspberries. There can be a pepper note to it, so a bell pepper note that comes across here and there. And you could also have like there's like a stony crushed gravel note to Cabernet Franc wines. The best spots for Cabernet Franc wines are in France, in the Loire Valley. You've likely seen some names of appellations like Chinon, Bourgogne, or oh, damn it, I always do this. There's one more that's escaping me. I'll put the note right here. But the state of New York does some really good Cabernet Franc, and the wine that I am going to recommend for Cabernet Franc to try is the Ravines Cabernet Franc. They're from the Finger Lakes in New York. I've had several different vintages of these wines, and they never disappoint. Those wines don't typically have that bell pepper note. So if you started this video, you said you heard bell pepper, you're like, I hate vegetal notes in my wine. Ravines Cabernet Franc typically does not have that, so probably a good place to start in your Cabernet Franc journey. That's all I got today. I will see you tomorrow. Thanks again for joining.